Today we'll be installing the Sprinter rear passenger door platform. This is a fairly involved installation and should take roughly 1 to 2 hours. We recommend using some help to hold items in place during installation. Begin by unpacking all of the contents of the boxes and laying them out so that you have easy access to all the items needed for the installation, and print out the installation guide if you need it. If applicable, start by removing the lower interior door panel. We recommend using a plastic panel removal tool. Be gentle when prying as to not break the factory panel clips. Once you get the first few popped, you should be able to pull the rest of the panel away with your hands. This method applies to vans with the stock half trim, and you may have more or less clips to remove depending on which trim your van has. A quick note, this product is compatible with 2019 and newer vans with 180-degree rear door hinges. If your van has 270-degree hinges, you'll need to have them swapped out for 180-degree hinges, which we sell on our website. Now we'll move on to drilling the hole for the door. Align the provided template with your door panel. Align the left side with the edge of your door and the top with the seam on top as shown. Drill a pilot hole through both layers of metal using a 3/16 inch drill bit. Switch to the included step bit to drill the hole out to 5/8 inch. After drilling, deburr the hole and clean the area with alcohol, then apply a rust preventative paint. If your van is configured with the passenger rear door being fully encased without the access ours has in this video, you'll want to align the provided template with the inside of your door panel as shown. You'll then mark the small hole on the template and drill out a pilot hole with the 3/16 drill bit, switching to the step bit to drill the hole out to 7/8. This all will give you the access that you'll need later on. Now you can grab the 2 hinge backing plates and the included button head screws. You can assemble them in the back of the door hinges as shown. With someone holding the hardware and backing plates in place, hang the rear door platform on the door. Place the washers and nuts on the bolts and make finger tight. Put together the third mount bushing assembly. Starting with taking the long button head screw and placing the bushing cap and small bushing on it in that order. Then run the screw through the platform mounting hole and run it through the tall bushing, door mounting boss, ceiling washer, and finally the door mounting hole in that order. Place the washer and nylock nut on the screw on the inside of the door. Use a 9/16 wrench or socket to hold the nut in place and tighten the bolt with a 7/32 Allen wrench. Just be sure to leave it loose for now. The lower hinge mount has a stop built into the bracket. Open your door carefully to approximately 135 degrees and adjust the lower hinge mount into place. Ensure the side of the platform follows the body lines of the van. Once aligned, tighten all hardware on the mounting points. Be careful not to over-tighten the third mount. You want it snug with no slop, but not crushing the bushing or your door metal. Replace the lower interior panel if applicable, and enjoy your new rear door platform. And that's it. If you have any questions with this install process, or have any unique fitment issues, please reach out to our product support team for assistance. Thanks for watching.